It's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This capable Tacoma is all the qualification you need to make life's dreams, goals, and projects a reality. Validate your passion for off-road fun and your drive to get things done with the fiber-reinforced sheet-molded composite with storage compartments and deck rail system with tie-down cleats and points. You get the nitty-gritty of a truck and clever tech features with Bluetooth, N-Tune audio, and touchscreen display. Positioned with your safety in mind, it offers a tire pressure monitoring system and the Star Safety System with vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes, and smart stop technology. If you're excited about your next getaway with the capability of this Tacoma, just think about what this truck will do for every other day of your life. Come in for a test drive.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.